Most people think you need a 401k, a fat savings account, or a pension to retire. But what if I told you there are 7 income streams that can help you retire comfortably, and they work in any economy, even during a recession? These passive income strategies not only help me retire early, they continue to bring in cash flow month after month, regardless of the market. So if you're worried about retirement, didn't plan well, or you're currently in retirement and just need a better way to create income, you're in the right place. Some of these options can be started today with little or no money. Let me ask you a big question. Why can having multiple income streams help so much during retirement? It's because retirement isn't a stop working and coast situation anymore. It's about freedom and options. With income coming in from different sources, you're less dependent on one thing and better protected when the economy shifts. So let's dive in and show you exactly how you can create that flexibility. Stream 1, real estate. REITs let you invest in real estate without owning physical property. They pay consistent dividends and are regulated to return 90% of the income to the investor. That means you can still get monthly or quarterly cash flow without owning a rental unit. This is ideal for those who don't want the stress of being a landlord. It's a hands-off way to build wealth through real estate, especially in essential sectors like housing, logistics, or healthcare, areas that tend to stay strong even in downturns. And whether you're retired or approaching retirement, you want stability. And REITs have historically offered a solid, low barrier entry into that world. Stream 2, dividend paying stocks. Imagine getting a paycheck every month just for owning part of a company. That's the power of dividend stocks. They aren't risky tech startups. I'm talking about legacy companies that have paid and increased dividends for decades. Think Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble. These companies thrive across generations and economies. You can build a dividend ladder that pays you monthly, staggered across different payout dates. This strategy can help you replace income slowly over time without touching your principal. A dividend is where the company shares a little bit of revenue with you for owning the stock. Think of it as a payment just for thanking you for owning that stock. It's part of that revenue that flows out to the shareholders every month or quarter or annually so that they have income so that they don't have to sell it to create the income they need to live on. Stream 3, digital products. This is one of the most underestimated streams of income. What if you could take the knowledge you already have, your life experience, your career, your hobbies, and turn it into a product you sell online? It could be a guide, a checklist, an ebook, a planner, or a how-to video. I know people in their 60s and 70s selling knitting patterns, meal plans, travel guides, home repair tips. They made it once and it continues to generate income. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and PayHip make this simple and low cost to get started. It's not about being tax savvy, it's about being helpful. Stream 4, peer-to-peer lending. What if you could act like the bank and earn interest on loans to other people? That's what peer-to-peer lending platforms like Lending Club allow you to do. It works like this. You fund a small part of someone's loan, and when they pay it back with interest, you make money. The key here is diversification, spreading your money across many loans. It's a good option if you have savings set aside and you're looking for more income potential than savings account, but still want to avoid the stock market. Stream 5, YouTube plus affiliate marketing. Now you might think YouTube is just for young influencers, but the truth is people of all ages are building micro incomes from what they already know and love. Let's say you know how to do home repairs, or you love gardening, or you have a unique way of budgeting. Make a video showing your process and linked to a product you already use. YouTube pays you through AdSense. An affiliate program pays you when people click your links and buy. You don't need millions of views. You just need valuable content. Stream 6, high yield savings and cash management. Not every income stream has to be flashy. Sometimes the best moves are the simple ones. As of 2025, you can earn over 4% APY just by parking your emergency funds in the right savings account or cash management platforms. Compare that to 0.01% in some big banks. If you're retired and have cash sitting around, it should be working for you. Over a year, that's a difference in interest can equal thousands of dollars. Licensing or consulting your experience. You don't have to build a huge brand or course. You can license something you already created or offer consulting on a flexible schedule. Let's say you spend 30 years in HR, logistics, education, or ministry. That knowledge is valuable to someone. And you can offer calls, create templates, or even license a PowerPoint or resource you built years ago. Even if it's just a few hours a month, this stream builds your confidence, keeps you engaged, and generates income. So there you have it, 7 passive income streams that work in 2025, 2026, and beyond. They don't require you to start a business, build a brand, or reinvent yourself. You just need to be willing to try one. Now, here's a question I want you to reflect on. Why is income still important after you retire? It's not just about bills, it's about dignity, freedom, the ability to give, travel, bless others, and not worry if your money will run out. The goal isn't just to retire. The goal is to thrive. And that's why we make these videos. We're not just here to get you to book a call. If what I said helps you and you go do it, you may never need to meet us. And that's a win. But if you do want guidance, we're here. Make sure you check out my next video. Hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell.